We got a drink if you're thirsty. You're welcome to have something.
Thank you.
And then this is our machine shop in here.
All right, Sam, let's see the magic. Hey, everyone. Now, I'm here with Brian from Current LA. What's up, Brian?
Hey, how's it going?
And we've done a few walkthroughs of several of the EV conversions that they've been doing here. Make sure to check those out. But one of the things that really impressed me and I think is unique about their shop is that they're not just doing conversions, they're actually doing full frame-off restorations as well. And the shop is like some mix of a candy store and a toy store. It's so cool. So Brian said that he'd be willing to take us on a quick tour through all the different areas and what they going on. So
cool. Let's go.
All right, cool.
Yeah, so we've already shown you this car earlier, 32 Ford, and we got some of our awards
Trophy
here.
case.
Yeah.
Electrify
recent
Expo.
Stuff from this year. Yeah, love going to Expo. All the guys everywhere that we go, everybody's just been great. Love the EV industry. Been having a lot of fun with it. And then over here we've got some blocks from our friend Chris Webb.
Those are beautiful.
Yeah, possibly going in here. We got a drink if you're thirsty. You're welcome to have something.
Thank you.
And then this is our machine shop in here.
Whoa.
Yeah, we've got our lathe, we've got a CNC, pretty much everything you need to make, you know, the parts that we need to do.
Because you guys do a lot of custom parts as well, right?
Yeah, we do a lot of, I mean, anything that we need to fabricate, we could pretty much get it done here. We do source some stuff out, of course, but mostly we try to do as much as we can in-house. So that's where all this happens. We've got a bunch of stuff in the works today.
So I am a total layman in a lot of this. This is a lathe.
Right.
Right? Lathe. What is this one here?
That's a CNC mini mill.
Okay.
Yeah. That's tube bender.
Tube bender. I've only ever seen the conduit ones that you use your foot. That's a lot better.
Yeah, this is Rosafab. They make it. That's a really cool bender. It does all kinds of stuff. You could. It's not like programmable, but you could actually find your points and do a lot of crazy bends with that machine, more than it looks like.
So is that what you guys are using when you do like the hard lines between battery boxes?
No, those ones use just hand tools.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are soft aluminum lines. So.
That's like chassis stuff for like suspensions, cages.
Right.
Got it. Okay.
Exactly. And this is our manual mill. Yeah, and then we have our brake here.
Oh, what is that?
It's just a sheet metal bending brake.
Oh, bending brake. Gotcha.
Right. Yeah. And also we have one here. That's a magnetic one. And then we've got a large ton press, bead roller here, plasma table.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Is that what you use for a lot of your like custom logo detailing type
lots
things?
of like brackets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Brackets.
Suspension parts.
Man, I'm getting
brackets.
it all wrong. I'm like, you could do this. Nope.
you could too, but we use like the CNC makes a lot of the really detailed stuff that we do. So that's a great machine right there, actually.
Now, do you have any vice grips at all?
We're running out.
You're running low?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
No, every time I look down here, there's like 4, and then I think they're mating. And then we end up with a couple more every
We got
day.
some small ones popping up, just like those kittens
Yeah, that's right.
outside. Okay.
And then we've got more of those cutting tools over here, grinders, tube benders, shrinker, band saws. So, you know, we've got a lot in there. We can make a lot of stuff in a small shop.
Yeah, it seems like it, and like kind of the idea, the imagination is the limit.
Yeah.
When it comes to all of this, you got all of the toys.
Every day it's like a changing day. You know, we never know what we're going to get into. Every day it seems like. Sam's over here right now working on stuff.
Hey Sam, the notorious.
The table.
Mind if I run this?
Do it.
Do it.
Oh. Okay. We'll loop back.
We'll loop back to you. Yeah, and then over here we've got, you know, the sheet metal roll. And that's pretty much the fabrication area.
Okay.
There's a bunch of batteries.
Oh,
we have,
batteries right here.
That's the batteries for that Dino that we talked about before.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, that's the rear pack for that.
So the pack is already assembled,
Right.
and you just need to put it into the battery box?
Yeah.
Did you assemble this pack from like individual cells, or did you buy modules?
These are modules.
They're modules that
Right.
then you link together. Cool.
Yeah. And then, we design all the bus bars and get everything together.
And fabricate the
And
bus
fabricate.
bars.
And fabricate,
Nice.
yeah. And make the boxes for everything, so.
That is so cool.
And then this is pretty much the assembly area. For a lot of the parts. These are parts right here that we just fabricated up that are going to be the wheel wells and the Dino.
All right.
Up too.
This is just blows my mind. These started as flat metal.
Right.
And you guys fabricated this. All of the bends, all of the, like this looks kind of complex, and like getting that,
Yeah.
how did you get that punched in?
It's just all fabricated and welded together.
So,
Yeah.
so this like part here, there's two pieces that you
Right.
like actually dropped in and then like smoothed out?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And those go under the car.
No detail.
Those will not be. Those will
Skipped.
not really be seen unless you really look for them.
I mean, it's just really impressive. I'm not a fabricator, but I think it's so cool to like be able to kind of mold metal like that.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
It's a lot of fun. I mean, it really is. A lot of the parts that we come up with, and working with the guys here, we've got a great team, and everybody just has a good time working together. We're always bouncing ideas off each other all day long. I mean, we try to get our focus together and come up with what the plan is, but we still get to be creative and
I love
we really do have a good time coming up with different stuff, and it is a daily thing. We're just bouncing ideas off of each other, what we want to come up with, and we just pull it off every day.
And you get to do things like this.
Yeah.
Ferrari Dino, which we did another video if you haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah.
But
So yeah, this is
Very
more of the
cool.
assembly area. This is where we store the cars as they're either waiting for their next chance in line to be converted.
are these all conversions?
Most of them.
Most of them? Camaro?
The Camaros, it's a Z20, 69 Z28 that we'll be converting. It's partially converted now. And then the Plymouth Fury up top, that will be converted soon. We have a TR6 in the back, that will be converted.
Oh, I can't even quite see that.
Yeah, that's a tough one to see.
Yeah.
That one's actually the next one too.
Okay. A TR6?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car too. So, and then we have a couple trucks and stuff that are kind of on the back burner. We have some personal projects, but customers come first. So,
Yeah. Makes sense.
of course.
And this is getting converted, or
This one, no, this one actually is going to be a gas.
this is going to be a gas?
Yeah, this gets the
Sweet.
LS3, but we're doing full restoration on this car.
Oh,
full
beautiful.
frame off build. Yeah,
Yeah.
So.
So people can call you up if they need some help with like their ICE car and they don't want to convert it too.
Yeah, we have clients that, this next car is going to be a conversion.
Oh,
He's
okay.
some of our clients, they are just car fanatics. So, we're willing to work with them and do whatever needs to be done. So, and we're all from that, This is still relatively new.
It definitely is.
And, for a lot of us, it is also. So, we definitely have got experience in doing engine swaps and stuff in the past. So, yeah.
Awesome.
And maybe he'll bring it back and want us to convert to EV.
He's like, man, this LS3 isn't as fast
After
as
we
I
do
wanted.
this next one, right?
Yeah.
He'll be like, oh, I like what you did on my new one. Maybe we can go back.
Yeah, you might see
No
it.
problem.
Looks like they're doing something.
Oh yeah, looks like Sam's.
Let's go check out what Sam's
Check it
doing.
out. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, Sam, let's see the magic. All right, well, never a dull moment around here.
Oh yeah.
So shall we let Sam finish his project? We'll take one more pass through and
Yeah. Where do you want to pick up, you think? Wherever.
oh, wherever. I'm still rolling.
Oh, okay, cool.
This is a day in the life, man. Oh, here's a cool shot. We talked all about this one.
Yeah. And drive shaft's made. We just have this thing getting ready to do final assembly.
And the rack.
The rack, and maybe we can see some of the TR6 up there. Yeah, there she is. That's hard to see.
It is hard. I guess we're just gonna have to come back once
Yeah,
once it's started.
Welcome to anytime.
And check it out.
Heck yeah.
Awesome, Brian. This is yours, right?
Yeah.
I just got to get it in here because that's a beautiful build
Oh,
too.
thanks, man.
Oh, amazing.
Good times, good times.
Well, you can see Current LA has a lot going on, and man, I had such a good time chatting with you guys, seeing your builds. Thank you for letting me stop by and staying
Great,
late.
man.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you.